Hello everyone, welcome back to Connect Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Virtuoso grinder. For this grinder, it was brought here because it wasn't grinding anymore and it was stripped one of the main gear drives of the grinder. As you can see, it's just completely stripped. It was just skipping a couple of tools and it was not grinding properly. Um, we had to replace the burrs as well, as they also suffered damage. Whatever caused these was stuck between the burrs and it damaged the burrs, so it was best to replace them. We replaced them with a brand new one, new shaft, and pretty much new things in the entire grinder. So these are the sizes of the grinder. Mm, for the coarser setting, going all the way to the finest one, right there. You can see this is very fine compared to this one, which is more like normal coffee. These other ones as well, and this one that is very coarse. Right now that was 20, and you can decrease or increase it to just 11. So there you have it. Baratza Virtuoso. Grinding once again. Thank you so much for repairing Mechanic Coffee and subscribe to the channel.